Hello, welcome to RosyTastyKitchen. Today I want to show you how I make my AFANG soup with water leaf, lovely water leaf, and AFANG. This is a dried AFANG that I've washed and cut and dried. It's always good to wash your AFANG because sometimes they are very dirty, even if it doesn't show much. Yes, so I've prepared all my ingredients down. That is my water leaf I've cut, and this is the AFANG I've blended, and the dry fish and stock fish, mushroom, crayfish, dry black Cameroon pepper, nor cube, and a bit of onions. You can do without using onions. And I've boiled my meat well seasoned boiled meat, and I've put all the ingredients down that I'm going to be using. You can put other ingredients that you might like periwinkle and other things. You can remove and add according to your taste. So I'll start by heating my oil, and I will not want this oil to be to be bleached. Okay, I just want the oil to be hot enough to fry my onions and the water leaf. Yeah, so I know many people might say, oh, why are you using onions? Before I used to say the same until I start using it. So it really helps in frying the water leaf. Really helps. And when I start using it, I don't stop using my onions. Anyway, so these are the ingredients I'm using, and I just want this oil to be a bit hot. I want the oil to be a bit hot. Then I will start frying it. So thank you so much for watching with me, for staying, for being patient. Yeah, I'll start by putting my onions on. Yeah, see now the oil is a bit hot now. Then I'll add my water leaf, and I will add my water leaf on the oil. I will stir it. And I will stir it. To make sure that it's well mixed with the oil. That's a bit of AFANG I've added. I think that was a fresh AFANG I had, so that was a fresh AFANG I had. I didn't want to add it with the other one because the color is a bit different. So I added it with the water leaf so it can blend together. And I'm going to leave it to boil for a while. You can see I'll leave it to boil for a while. Yeah, you stir it again. You can see now the water leaf is boiled. The water leaf is boiled. Okay, so I'm going to add my AFANG. Add the pepper and the salt. I'll add my other AFANG. Okay. I'll add my other AFANG. The idea is to make your water leaf, your AFANG, your water leaf not to be more than AFANG. Actually, AFANG should actually be more than water leaf. If not, it's not going to give you the right texture. AFANG is supposed to be more than the water leaf you are using. Okay. So as you can see, I mixed it all together. Yeah. Then I will stir it. stir it. That's a bit of pepper. I've added pepper on the meat as well, so that's why I didn't put much. I'm just putting the red bell pepper to the hot pepper to have a bit of the pepper on it. I add my crayfish. I'm adding my fish. So I've already washed this fish and soak it in hot water to make it a bit softer. You can boil it, but it will be too soft. If it's too soft, it will all break into your soup. Yeah, so it's going to be soaked again, soft enough. Add your fish. So add your fish. Together with your leaves. You're trying to make everything mix, the crayfish, the fish, mix it together. And see how much leaf goodness. Yes, stir. It doesn't really take long to get done. I add my maggi cube, my knorr cube, add my mushroom. You can do without putting mushroom, okay? I like mushroom actually. Yeah. My mushroom. We call it udip in my place. Udip. Okay? So you try to mix it. I'm gonna add my now. I'm not adding all this meat actually. I'm gonna just put a bit more, and I want to use a meat sauce. Maybe use a meat sauce to add with the water. I'll still add a bit more meat. I'm trying to get everything mixed together. Yeah, almost done. See what it's, yeah, almost done. Add a bit more meat in my soup. Add a bit more meat. It's a big pot of soup. You stir it again. Stir it. You stir it. Stir it. And let everything mix up. Don't forget, as I said, my meat was already well seasoned, okay? So you can see now. So after preparing all your ingredients, it doesn't take long. Within 10-15 minutes your fruit is done. So it doesn't take long at all. Always test your fruit. That is it. You can see green goodness. Green goodness. That is it. That is it. Look at it. And see the water leaf. See. And this tastes really nice. So this is the finished picture. Thank you so much for watching with me. God bless you. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.